Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Toyota Highlander. First, find the cruise control stalk, typically on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/off button located at the end of the stalk. You'll see a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, confirming the system is now active and ready for use. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a more relaxed driving experience. Once activated, accelerate to your preferred cruising speed. To set it, simply push the stalk down to the set position and release. Your vehicle will now maintain that speed. If you need to adjust, push the stalk up towards res/plus to increase speed, or push it down towards set/ to decrease. Each push typically adjusts by 1 mile per hour, offering precise control. There are a few ways to cancel cruise control. You can pull the stalk towards you to the cancel position. Alternatively, simply pressing the brake pedal, or, if applicable, the clutch pedal will also disengage the system. If you wish to resume your previously set speed, just push the stalk up to res/plus. This is handy for temporary speed reductions. Your Highlander likely features dynamic radar cruise control, which not only maintains your speed, but also a set distance from the vehicle in front. You can adjust this following distance using the dedicated distance control button on your steering wheel, cycling through different settings. This adds an extra layer of convenience and safety. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy cruising!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.